In this example, we're going to use the Jefferson method of apportionment. Let's read what the example says. An HMO has 150 doctors to be apportioned among 4 clinics. The HMO decides to apportion the doctors based on the average weekly patient load for each clinic. Given the following table, right here, use Jefferson's method to apportion the 150 doctors. The example provides you with a hand, and it says, find the standard divisor, which is something you will always have to do. And then it says, a modified divisor that is less than a standard divisor will work. Now, when using Jefferson's method of apportionment, you are using a modified quota and a modified lower quota, which comes from the modified divisor. You always want to modify the divisor a little bit less than the original. So step 1 is to find the divisor. Now, to find the divisor, you need the total population. So I'm going to add that to my table. And this is the total once you add the 4 amounts. Now the divisor is the total number of population by the number of doctors, so the items, and that gives you 100, right? Now I'm going to use my modified divisor. So instead of 9 and 100, use a little bit less than 100. Jefferson requires you to do less. So instead of 100, I'm going to do 98. Okay, and to try. So to find the modified quota, you are dividing each clinic population by the modified divisor. So if you want, you can put it right here. So you know I'm doing by 98 divided by 98 divided by 98 divided by 98, right? 1,714 divided by 98 gives you 17.48, but once rounded turns into 49. So you want to round to 2 decimal places. 55.71, 24.90, 54.96. Now the modified lower quota, this is 17, 55, 24, 54. Now you cannot do the final apportionment until you have checked if this adds to the number of doctors that you're given. So let's go ahead and add that. 17 plus 55 plus 24 plus 54 adds up to 150. So that's checks. So the final apportionment is 17, 55, 24, and 54. And this is using the Jefferson method, where you modify your quota to a lower. You modify your divisor lower. You could have tried 99 and see if that would have worked. You could have tried 96, 95, and so on. You want to modify it by a little bit less. So this is the final apportionment for this example.